Hello everyone, we are taking a topic of pollen from the chapter number 2. This video is going to be very short and we will be just discussing about the characteristics of the pollen. Now very important thing is pollen, it causes allergy to most of the human beings because they releases the harmful chemicals, and these chemicals they evoke the immune system of a human being and we develop rashes. So rashes on the skin, they are an indicator of an allergy. Now, if in exams question comes that which pollen causes allergy, answer to it is Parthenium pollen. So the plant name is Parthenium and the pollen of it will be known as, of course, Parthenium pollen. This plant is also known as commonly carrot grass. This is quite prominent as a weed these days, so these pollens, they are quite allergic to human being. Another thing, pollen are rich in nutrients, and because they are rich in nutrients, they are also used as supplements, especially by the people who do intense running, like athletes, and generally, it is also given to the horses during the horse races. Third thing, pollen viability. Viability means the time period for which a pollen will be alive. And this pollen viability is actually dependent upon two factors. One is the temperature and another is the humidity. Different pollens, they stay alive for different period of time. Generally, if we speak about wheat and rice, their pollen are alive for a very shorter period. But if you talk about the plants of the family Rosaceae, Leguminosae, and the plants from the Solanaceae, these are the botanical families where the pollen viability is not in hours or minutes, rather the pollen viability is in months. So these names are to be learned by you because these are important from the board's perspective. Now, as sperms of the human beings are stored, similarly the pollen grains, they are also stored. Now the temperature to store the pollens is 160 degrees Celsius and the chemical which is used to store them is liquid nitrogen. So please remember all the characteristics, they hold an important sense for the short questions. Thank you.